I am Ashok Sharma and I have worked in the cement industry for more than 45 years. Finally, I happened to settle in Jaipur where I had my own house, and there I plan to go for an elevator. It is 100% safe because when the lift it is in operation, and if any child attempt to open the door, there is a provision to lock the system, to lock the doors, and by that way it makes the 100% safe for the children. See, the basic reason for going for this Nibav lift, it is the unique design and the operation, because in the market whatever the lifts are available, either they are ceiling operated or they are hydraulic operated, but this has a unique feature and it operates in the vacuum based system. So that's why it's a unique system, and it is a very size, if you just consider it can be installed, it is portable also, it can be shifted easily. So that way I considered all these facts and gone for the elevator. It is Nibav elevator, it is 100% safe. I do not find at any stage any safety feature is compromised, nowhere. So it's 100% safe. It's really outstanding. It matches with the interior of my house. So that's the beauty of this system. It looks nice, and polycarbonate glasses, they are the most robust. It's almost equivalent to the bulletproof glasses. So that's the beauty, and really it looks very attractive to the people and me as well. It doesn't need any kind of alteration, addition. It can easily be accommodated within a very small space. That serves the purpose. I will strongly recommend it.